Now let us write a Java application where we shall define our own class and we shall try to create our objects of the defined class. So we shall start a new project, Java application. We want to create the main class, that's why this checkbox is checked, is selected. Okay, now suppose the name of the class that we wish to create is ABC, and suppose it has got two data members, intx and intby. Both the data types are the data members of the class are of primitive data type, that is integer. Now we want to define a constructor method. So constructor method of a class is a special method which is same name as that of class. So ABC, and the sole purpose of the constructor is to assign some initial values to the data members of the class. So suppose we are using x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. We are assigning some initial values to x and y. Okay, and we want to define one more method of the class, member method. So we shall write here public, and the return type of the method would be void, means it shall not return any value. And suppose the name of the method we are assigning is display. Okay, and with the help of this display method, what we want to do is we simply want to use the println method. So we shall write here system.out.println, and we shall write plus, we want to add the values of x and y, and that would be given to the println method. Okay, and so what we have done is we have defined the class ABC. It has got two data members x and y of data type int, and we have a constructor method which is the same name as that of the class, and with the help of this constructor method we are assigning some initial values to the data members x and y, and we have one more member method of the class, and the name of the method is display, and this method would display the values of x and y data members altogether. Okay, now what we have to do is, as the class has been created, now next thing is means blueprint has been created. Now we want to create objects of the class. So to create an object of a class, we have the syntax ABC, that is the name of the class is ABC. So we shall write suppose A1, that is the name of the object, equals to new ABC, A1 equals to new ABC. This is the way to declare an object of the class ABC, or we can say that the class has been instantiated. An instance of the class has been created and has been assigned some memory. Okay, now with the help of this A1 object, what we can do is we have to call the member method of the class, and the member method is display that we have just defined. Okay, A1.display. Now if we run this application, we see that 30 is displayed, 30. So 30, the value of the data members x and y was 10 and 20 respectively. So we are adding these two values, and finally these values are printed. So in this example what we have learnt is how to create a class and how to create an object of the class and assign some initial memory to the object. This is one line method, and instead of this one, if we don't write this way, one more option we have to create an object of the class. We can write ABC A1 and A1 equals to new ABC. It's a two-line method. So if we run the same program, then we find that the similar output is generated by the program. So that's how we can create our own class, and blueprint of the object is created, and then we can create multiple objects of the class and could be utilized. In the next video lessons, we shall learn about some concepts of inheritance in Java, how classes may be extended. The basic functionality of the class may be extended with the help of inheritance.